Yo! What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are well. Thank you for checking in. Early Merry Christmas to all of you out there. I hope you're having a nice week. Looking forward to celebrations with family, friends, and all that lot. Now in this video, let's get straight to the point. We are doing a market update. Bitcoin is looking seriously hot, $1.65 trillion in the crypto markets right now. That's the overall global valuation. But we could be seeing a bit of a buy the rumor, sell the news event happen very, very soon. So don't get caught out. I know a lot of average Joes out there that are getting in to the markets right now are gonna get stung. They're gonna get bit in the ass pretty hard because you are kind of allowing yourself to enter at the markets at a very risky point of time. Yes, we've got the Bitcoin ETFs. Yes, we've got the Bitcoin halving, but Bitcoin has actually done a 2.5x since it was like 16, 18, 20, 22K back in summer of 2022. Anyways, guys, I just want to show you the view very quickly. This is looking pretty nice. We're missing a bit of sun, but we do have a glimpse of blue in the sky right there. So hopefully we'll see some more sunshine. I want to do some exploring out in those lovely mountains and the countryside. But this is quite a nice view. It's quite delightful to see every single morning that I'm waking up. And over here we have some really cool islands that I will also explore as well when the weather does pick up a little bit. But yeah, at the moment, really, really cool. Just been hopping around on my motorbike and just exploring the area, and sort of the food here is heavenly. Heavenly, nowhere else can compete. I'm trying to lose weight whilst I'm here as well. But hey, you know, it's just like a bit of a wellness retreat at the moment. So, crypto update, let's talk about it. You know, recently good things have happened. We've been talking about Say token, Sue token, Optimism. We had the Syncus Fi early call in my Discord channel, which by the way, you should join right down below so you don't miss out on those 10Xs, because you guys already made over 10X. So well done to you. All very pleased that you're walking away with profits, and I think it could continue to maybe go up. But anyway, let's talk about the general markets, a bit of crypto news. What could potentially happen, as some analysts think Bitcoin will go up, but some think Q1 2024 will actually be a bearish looking month in the crypto sphere. So just gonna quickly just sit my ass down and go through some of these things that I sort of digged out. Now we can see crypto bubbles. Normal when the markets are so euphoric and greedy, you got to have those retracements. But you can see coins like OP are up. Say we've spoken about those two so much on the channel. Bonk is down 30%. Sue is up. Solana is also up as well. So a bit of Solana-based news we will look at on this particular video too. But we can see the overall market cap is $1.652 trillion, which is phenomenal, by the way. So Optimism is up 27%. We've got Alpha up 24%. Arbitrum up 14%. We've got Pepe up 14.66%. So memes are still looking pretty hot. Of course, we've got the meme combat live as well. That's a pre-sale that could potentially do well. I have got my eyes on a 3x for that coin. We've got Aptos, the Graph. We've got Lido Quant as well. So a few altcoins are going absolutely crazy. Bitcoin is sitting at 43.4K. Some analysts are eyeing up a 48K price level. We've not really seen Ethereum do too much. Now remember guys, in January and also February, usually Ethereum does pick up quite well. So Optimism up by 84% in the month. Congrats to anyone that did get in from our calls. $3.49 local high here. Last 7 days has been really bullish. Pepe as well, we can see over the last month, quite a volatile trajectory, but we're not quite at the local high from before, which was sitting at 0.00001678. But the last 7 days, you know, we've seen a bullish pump here. So we are up, we are looking strong, might get some more continuation. It's really hard to say with these meme coins. Arbitrum is up by 20%. So there's another really, really positive looking chart. Don't FOMO in and chase the green candles, by the way. We also have Bitcoin ETF token. What a bit of a shit show that was. Like I say, guys, I can't get them all right. So I am sorry if some of you are feeling a bit disappointed. We can still hodl. There is still a chance that we might see a recovery here for the Bitcoin ETF token. This is the chart that came from their website right here. Sometimes we do see these coins collapse and then actually recover nicely over the next few weeks, and I really hope this will be the case here. Also doing a $200 giveaway. The link is down below. Winner announcement 28th of December. So if you do want to get yourself into my little giveaway, I'd be ever so happy if you did. So just simply retweet, comment down below, tag some friends, and that'd be really, really nice. So yeah, we're gonna just quickly hop into some crypto news because I don't want you guys to FOMO in to Bitcoin at these levels when the risk is, honestly, it's getting higher. As the price of Bitcoin goes up, your ROI, your effective X that you're going to make is diminishing more and more and more. And that is something important to also consider in these markets, right? Let's move back to the Safari. So Fear and Greed Index, just so we can just quickly check what this is. What is this? I have no idea what this is. Oh, here we go. We can see that the Fear and Greed Index is sitting at a colossal 70 right now. So pretty greedy markets, pretty greedy indeed. Solana. Now I want to talk about Solana quickly because Solana recently had some major news that they sold out the new Saga phones. They had 20,000 units and they're all sold out. And what a great bit of price action we can see here for Solana. I just want to say, if Solana goes back down to $40, $50, I am absolutely all in to Solana. You can see the Saga phone from mobile sold out its US pre-orders yesterday, December 14, and it wasn't because of its looks, performance, or security. It was because each phone, once shipped, comes with 30 million bulk tokens. That covered the overall cost of the phone. And you can actually see Solana has really been picking up in terms of search volume. I'm going to just look at Vietnam quickly because I'm curious to see what this demographic, actually looks at crypto. And you can see there is an increase in search volume, but you can also just look at other countries here if you really wanted to. And I'm sure you would end up seeing a positive correlation for the search volume. So Solana is looking really hot right now. Now, what about buy the rumor, sell the news, which may not apply to Bitcoin, Grayscale, Bitcoin Trust. So there's an old saying on Wall Street, buy the rumor, sell the news. There's often some truth to it. Professional investors tend to be forward-looking and buy and stock ahead of an event. Once the event takes place, their reason for owning it disappears. So people are also speculating this with Bitcoin ETFs because we're seeing some delays of a few of them. So is it just news that people will end up selling on? So that's something to consider. ETF approvals would change that. Multi-trillion-dollar asset managers like BlackRock and Fidelity would be freed and encouraged to take advantage of institutional money that wants exposure to one of the best performing assets of 2023. So that's also really interesting. Traders see 48,000 Bitcoin price before ETFs sell the news event. So they're actually forecasting a sell the news event here, guys. So a Bitcoin price correction is less likely going into the ETF decision, but such an event would be healthy for Bitcoin overall, analysis says. And I also think, seeing Bitcoin come down to like $28,000 to $32,000 would be seriously nice. It would be a second chance to get in nice and early before the halving, before the ETFs, before the major pumps that we're going to see in 2024, hopefully. And it says Bitcoin circled 44K into December 21st. Wall Street open as analysis said that a Bitcoin price correction was necessary. And it is necessary. It's been so parabolic. We've seen, I think, the craziest amount of consecutive green weekly candles for a while. So is this a topside resistance? We could see a correction here, but, they're saying the Bitcoin chart looks very strong as usual. So we can see it's forming an ascending triangle with another retest of the upper resistance line of $44,000. So if it does have that third attempt at breaking through this 44K resistance, we could even see a $50,000 potentially occur. Another bit of news here, guys. Pancake swaps cake spikes over 20% after proposal by the DAO to reduce token supply by 300 million. So this is really quite an interesting one. Pancake, guys, DeFi degens. You know what I'm talking about. It all started at Pancake Swap. It all started at SafeMe. That's where people started going crazy. It's got a bit of an itch. So yes, PancakeSwap reduced their supply by $300 million. So if you guys don't know what that means, less circulating coins, less total coins, this could introduce a bit of buying pressure here for PancakeSwap into the market. So also consider that as well if you're looking to get potentially into PancakeSwap. Let's move back into a bit of news here. So that was very bullish. Argentina foreign minister claims new decree legalizes Bitcoin and other crypto assets for contracts and payments. So we can see, look at this, Diana Mondino, Argentina's Minister of Foreign Affairs, International Trade and Worship, has asserted that a recently passed decree legalizing the use of certain currencies in contracts for payments applies to Bitcoin and other cryptos. So basically, yes, you guessed it. Argentina, bullish on Bitcoin, but also they're open to the idea of adopting as well. So this is very, very good. Coinbase, approved as virtual asset services provider in France, the third largest crypto exchange, has said it wants to become regulated in countries with clear policies for the industry, while arguing with the Securities and Exchange Commission for bespoke rules in the US. So another very important thing right here, guys, that means France also more open, but this will help bring in crypto curious minds to the market. So people that haven't really kind of dabbled in the cryptocurrency space before, people that haven't really had a chance to touch Bitcoin and they want to get in nice and early, we will be seeing more fresh eyes into the market. So overall, I think that's a great thing. Do you remember your first time touching, Bitcoin, getting that first taste, that first snare, that first sort of scent of Bitcoin, that first sort of emotion where you're just checking the charts constantly? Every day you wake up, Bitcoin price, you go to bed, you look at Bitcoin. It goes away after a while. Well, maybe for some it doesn't, but it is exciting, and we are going to see one of the biggest bull runs that crypto has ever seen. And I really think that's what's going to happen out here in the crypto space. 2024 is going to be one of the biggest ever. Avalanche, quick touch on Avalanche as well. What a crazy year it's been for Avalanche, from $11 up to 40 plus. Now we can see from $20 to $48 in the last month. A lot of this comes down to Avalanche burning 16.7 million of AVAX over the last week, 10 times more than the week before. So Avalanche have also been burning a huge amount of the supply, which has helped it reach its large local highs. But yeah, this is apparently due to increased activity related to minting and sending inscriptions. So very, very good to see this bullish trajectory for Avalanche users. That's 439,000 tokens also burnt there in total. Also wanted to say, guys, thank you ever so much for just jumping into my videos, supporting, commenting down below, just being there. And if you're new here, I cannot tell you how thankful I am. If you're not new here and you just stuck around the whole time, again, thank you very, very, very much. If you are a trader looking to enhance your crypto skills and confidence, remember we do have the Patreon as well down below. All the Crypto Legend slots are sold out at the moment, but if there is enough appetite, we will get some more released if we can accommodate that. And there are still other packages available if you do want to explore some of those benefits in the Patreon. And I'm talking about my Patreon here, the Jacob Crypobury one, where you get VIP access to the Discord, which means you're going to get all those juicy benefits like the early launches, the info on early launches. You're going to get all the trading signals and all that good stuff. So please do check it out and subscribe if you're new here. That is a wrap with this video. I think over the next 3 sort of 4 months, we're going to see rocky trajectory for Bitcoin. And I think we are due a correction. We are overheated because this is not anything of the next bull run. This is just a taster. This is a taster, and we're going to see those whales cash out, and they're going to create that second opportunity to potentially get into Bitcoin, which I predict will be around that 28 to 32k region. It won't be as low as 16k. Not this time. I don't think we'll ever see levels that low, because at the end of the day, that was a bit of a black swan event that happened because of news that no one had control over. But we always get these events. They happen every cycle. 2020, we had COVID. Nobody could control that. Nobody knew that was coming round the corner. That was not preordained. So there's also things like that to consider as well. And I guess, yes, look out for the opportunity. Be aware. Don't sleep in these markets. Subscribe. And I really hope that we just have a great next few weeks here in the crypto space, because we all deserve it. We all want it. Just don't get caught out. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. See you very soon. Might make another update if you want them. If you want the updates, I will make the updates. If you don't, then I won't make the updates. So yeah, it's that simple. Please do Let me know down below if you want the updates or not. And I'll see you very soon. Peace. Stay crypto safe. Thanks for tuning in. And I wish you, again, a lovely, lovely new year. Merry Christmas and all that. And I probably will make another video soon. But just let me know what you want to hear. It makes it much easier. Do you want news? Do you want meme coins? Do you want trading signals? Oh, yes. Speaking of trading signals, oh my gosh, this video is going to just drag on and on and on. So quickly hopping into futures right here on MEXC. We've got a lot of orders open, so I just want to share these with you. Bit of a Christmas treat. I don't usually share this sort of thing, but these are my open orders. This is what I think is going to happen. So we've got Magic, we've got a long position ordered at 0.8142. We have one at 0.8809. So you can actually copy these if you want to. This is some free copy trading bonus Christmas material right here. We've got RIF, USDT on longs. I have not got my take profits or stop losses on some of these, by the way, guys. So you'll have to do that yourself. If you are good at doing that, then that's great. If not, then remember, this is very, very risky, and nothing in this video is financial advice. So there's a few orders that I've got open. We're doing pretty well in the trading sphere as well. And now I will gracefully leave because I'm freaking starving. I've not had any food, but now I'm gonna go get some pho or some, I don't know, maybe some beef noodles or something. Anyways, bye. See you soon.